Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. All right, today I am doing something totally out of the box, even for me. I am going to use some of my Candied Jalapeno and some of the syrup from it, and I am going to make Cowboy Cheesecake or Candied Jalapeno cheesecake. Now, I've had a look and I cannot find a recipe for this. I don't know whether anyone's done it before. I'm assuming they have, but I'm just gonna make it up as I go along. I'm just gonna use some shortbread biscuits because I want a nice neutral flavor to them. I don't want something that's too flavorful. The Americans would call that a cookie. Here it's a biscuit. All right, just going to break these up. So we've got a nice crumb. Yeah, and that's just a small packet. 250 grams, so that's half a pound. To that, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of butter. Now, the great thing about a biscuit crust is you can use it as either cold set or put in the oven, which I did on the pumpkin cheesecake. This time I'm just going to cold set it. Okay, just make sure it's all mixed up. Just in a little bit at the bottom that didn't get butter. Mix them through. Okay, just start forming up the walls. Just put the rest around, get it nice and even. Once we've got the basic shape, just grab a glass. Just use it to press in against the sides. That'll get your nice firm side on it. And then we just pack down the bottom with the bottom of the glass. Once that butter sets up in the fridge, it's going to give you a firm base. It's not going to be as firm as a rebaked base, but it will work fine. And generally I use a base like this when I'm doing a refrigerated cheesecake, which is what I'm doing today. So we'll go put that to chill. Okay, and onto our filling we go. All right, I'm gonna start with 500 grams or a pound of cream cheese. And 3/4 cup of white sugar. And I just want to beat those together. Cream cheese at room temperature just to make it that little bit softer. So I'll just beat that together. Okay, that's come together and it's nice and smooth. We're going to add 1 cup of cream. Going to add in a couple tablespoons of my Candied Jalapeno. And a couple tablespoons of the syrup. The first time making it, I am being a little bit conservative with how much I'm doing. My jalapenos are pretty hot, so I'll see how this mixes up and what the flavor's like. Okay, at this stage I'm going to test it for taste. Hasn't quite got the kick I'm after, So we're going to go in with a bit more of the syrup. A clean teaspoon, another taste test. Okay, flavour's getting there. It's got some nice heat on the back end, but I don't want to have a jalapeno cheesecake that hasn't got enough heat either. So it's definitely got that jalapeno kick on the back end, but I want to have a little bit on the front end too. So we're going with a bit more of it. I'm not going with too much syrup because the syrup does contain a small amount of vinegar and I don't want to make it too acid. It's better to go slowly adjusting your flavors than go too much and try and get it back. So this one with a bit of chili in it. That is perfect. That is just where I'm after it. Now, last stage is making sure it sets up. So we're gonna go a quarter cup of boiling hot water. And to that, I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of powdered gelatin. Just stir in that gelatin until all the crystals dissolve. There we are. And then that's going in our mixture. All right. And you want to mix this in until it's just combined. So just a low speed. We can no longer see any loose watery bits. So that is ready to go. Okay, there is our base that's chilled down while we've mixed this up. To our base, we are just gonna add in our mixture. Okay, and we will spread the last of that out. Sort of give it a jiggle in the center and it'll spread it out to the sides. All right, now the taste test on this one is being done by my good mate, Bon and Steve at Sweenies Creek. I will drop a link up top to their channel. He's actually going to try it out on live, which will be on the end of this video. I've got to let this set overnight. Tomorrow I've got to transport us up to Bendigo, which will be fun. And then Bomber's going to eat it. So I will catch you up at Bomber Steve's place. All right, folks, here we are at Sweenies Creek live stream. Say good day, guys.
Hello, we're streaming the stream.
And it's time for Bomber to try out the cheesecake. So let me cut it up and give him a taste test.
Hey fellow, great to have you here.
All right, folks, since Bomber is such a fan of chili, we've loaded it up for him.
You're a cruel man.
All right, mate, let's see what it's like.
Well, sweet chili and cheese always goes well together. So let's see what this is like. Good so far? Actually, that converts really well together. Oh, here comes the heat. That's good.
That's good?
That's damn good.
That's got a thumbs up?
That's got 2 thumbs up.
Beautiful. All right.
The cheesecake actually sort of nullifies the heat from the jalapenos a fair bit. It's coming in. It comes in afterwards.
Well, thank you everyone for watching my
Cool.
video, and bye for now.